Business around here. Oh, nobody's looking. Window cleaner. Window cleaner. Window cleaner. Window cleaner.
Not today, thank you.
What do you mean, why not today, thank you?
'Cause I'm gonna wash them. That's why not today, thank you.
Oh,
I wonder how that must be up here on the 20th floor.
That guy thinks he's gonna ruin my racket, hey? Hey, let me show you the real way to wash a window.
I'll wash them. Oh, right in the eye. Oh, I can't see. You're out of date with that stuff.
Let me show you how we modern. A little whipped cream on the window.
There you are.
Hey, Shrimp, get an eyeful of this. That's a real window cleaner.
You don't say. You look like a monkey on a string to me.
Pardon me.
Whoa. Hey, I'm hanging out. Help me through. Hey, you'll have to knock somebody off sometime. That's kindergarten stuff. Wait till you get a load of this with me suspenders. I'll show you how to do it.
I do it in swing time, you see.
Well, watch this.
Yeah, I'm watching it, but of course I don't see anything yet.
Oh, I'm falling. Oh. Whoa. Hey, my head's gone. I can't get out. Oh, hey, get me out of here, somebody. Hey, you give me a pain in the neck.
Why, you little... Go ahead, I'll fly it out.
Max, no. Oh, right. Well, I think the monkey
Wow. Well, wait, give me that sledgehammer. Open the ladder.
Hey, what am I doing hanging around here? Wait till I get a hold of this. Hey, what's the finger? Hey, let me up. Hang on.
So you're a window washer, hey? Now do you want me to clean your windows, huh?
Wait till I get my hands on you. Hey, you mess. I don't give a damn. Off you go. Here he comes. I'll bring back the here comes the hangover. Up you go. You're the one. You're the lucky club. Up. Hang on to your hat. Whammo. You're washed up. I'm Popeye the Sailor Man.